Oh, yeah, I'm on. Oh, I'm on. Get up. Keep. Oh man. Yeah, we're on. Yeah, we're on. Yep, we're on. And then you get yourself fish. Oh my god. Now we're gonna get the mom, which we just got. Watch this for the boys. 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 Let's go. What is up, guys? We are back with another video, and today we are at a construction site pond off the side of the road. I actually just saw it pop up literally right there. So we're gonna go ahead and get the line rigged up, throw it out there. We'll get the GoPro on my chest so you can get a better view of it, and we'll see you in a bit. Peace. How you doing, man?
Don't let them catch you out here, they'll press charges.
Wait, really?
Yeah, this is a stock ponds. They stock these ponds.
Oh crap, for real?
Yeah, because they stock all their bass in these two ponds, and then they come and they, I guess, fish them out with nets and stock all those ponds.
That's freaking awesome, bro. So there actually is big bass in here. Just gotta see if we can catch one though. Apparently this is like owned by the guy said it's like owned by the city, I guess. This whole entire like pond is, and they like stock them with bass throughout the whole entire season. And then what they do is they basically take the bass from these ponds, this and this pond, and they transport it throughout all of my city and put them in ponds. Yeah, so these are, I guess, like secret sauce spots where you can like go here and get crap ton of bass, maybe. I don't know. Oh, yeah, I'm on. Oh, yep, yeah, I'm on. Yep, got him. Oh man, nice little bass. Look at that. Yep, nice little bass. Look at that. Little guy. Look at that, guys. Peace. Sweet. He's a little guy, but I'm hoping to catch the bigger one. Honestly, if I can catch that, that'll make me happy. Yeah, I know. I just caught a little tiny one. I'm trying to get the mama though, the big one. So maybe there's like only like small little baby bass in here, and that's it. And they were just told that it's like humongous bass in here. Or maybe they took the big bass already. I don't really know how the city works, but maybe they like kind of took the bigger bass already, put them in other ponds, and I'm just like fishing for like babies right now. But that's the part of the thing you don't really know. So you just gotta come out here and do it. Ooh, I'm on. Ooh, yeah. Let's go. Oh man. What? Yeah. Oh man, look at that, guys. Look at that. Bigger bass. It's a bigger one. Not too bad, honestly. Sweet. We're gonna send them out right there. Peace. Alright, we're gonna see if we're gonna try casting it over there instead, in this area. Like that. That's money right there. That's money. Let's go. Wait till we get ourselves a bite. A little popperoo. I've only been getting babies, man. Well, I'll tell you what, the first fish I got was small. The next one was a little bit bigger. So we gotta keep, oh man. Yeah, we're on. Yep, we're on. As I'm talking. As I'm over here talking my brains off. Yeah, we're on. Oh, okay. All right, yep. And then next, I was saying the next one I got was a little bit bigger. And then this one's about the same size. Look at this. Kind of a bigger fish, kind of a bigger one, so that's good. There you go. You can do the old this trick I call the spinner, the spinners, I don't know, spinner winner. You go like that, do a little pop. What that's gonna do is actually, if you see my line, it's popping back and forth, and what that's doing is it's popping the worm on the bottom of the pond. Give it a couple pops. Let it sit there. And then you get yourself fish. Oh my god. I'm gonna tighten my drag. Holy crap. Woo! Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. That's how you do it, bro. That's how you do it. This is actually not that bad of a fish. Decent little guy, chunky little guy. We're gonna let him go free. And 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Getting bigger and bigger and bigger, guys. So we're 4 down. Now they're gonna go down. We kind of went down the family tree. We got like the little baby, then the medium baby, and then the like somewhat adult. Now we're gonna get the mom, which we just got. Holy crap. Oh, no, we didn't. It wasn't a mom. But still, wow. He smoked this worm, bro. Nice. Little bass. Man, he's really lively. All right. Get him back in the water. And peace. Wow. He freaking smoked that worm, bro. Green pumpkin worm, man. This is a trick worm. It's not even a finesse worm. Green pumpkin trick worms. I mean, crap, bro. Trick worms, finesse worms, shaky head worm. Use 3 of them. Get yourself a bass. Or multiple bass, honestly. You'll get multiple bass. Oh man, dang, I was on him, bro. Guys, there's a bass literally right there in front of us. We gotta get him. He's right here. For the boys. Do it for the boys. Come on. Watch this. For the boys. Huh? Oh, for the boys. Let's go. Gotta get a worm. This is precious cargo. Gotta get that. Let's go. For the boys. Finishing off strong. Look at that. For the boys. Shout out that, bro. Thank you. Fist bump. Let's go. All right. Peace. How about that, guys? Man, for the boys. You know, if you're ever in doubt, just do it for the boys, and then you will get a bass. Let's go. No, like literally, let's go, because I'm ready to go. All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. We didn't get the big mom, the monster that we were aiming for over here, but we did manage to get a pretty decent sized bass. And yeah, like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to me if you can. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.